Warning, this video contains valid emergency alert system tones. This is all work of fiction. I, the creator, Lawyer the Awesome Kid, is not responsible for any misuse of the video. So do not play this on radio or on the air, as it may cause this to be taken as it was real. Now, thank you for joining this live stream, and I hope you all enjoy. Now, let's move on to the video.
Sirius XM Big 80s on 8.
I suggest you give me what you owe me.
Take the oath and follow the adventure.
Have you ever seen anything like this before?
This old map reveals a treasure chest of 80s tunes.
Nobody's seen this for 100 years.
Let's rediscover another auditory gem.
This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This message is being broadcasted by the request of NASA and the United States government. At 12:06 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the sun has had signs of its life ending. This is not fully sure yet, as the sun would live for a lot longer than Earth and we have been here. At this time, no actions are to be taken. Stay tuned to your news or radio station for more info.
Strange. What do they mean by the sun dying? Like, exploding? Well, I'm not sure. Might as well forget about it. Next day. People are starting to riot because they think it's the end, but NASA wasn't fully sure. People had to go outside with a gun if they wanted to be safe. Stores were being looted, everything was going down. And Utah is very calm, very clean, nice. But chaos is breaking out. But then, siren goes off.
Attention, this is not a test. The sun's life is soon gonna end on December 31st at 5:30 p.m. This explosion will cause the end of the world. There is nothing you can do. Go into panic mode. Looting and rioting will be useless, as doing anything will still cause your death. The final emergency alert will be at 5 o'clock, 30 minutes before the planet is destroyed. If the Earth is not fully destroyed, humans will no longer be able to colonize on Earth. We are sorry. God bless the United States of America, and our planet.
And that just made things worse. Yes, this is all natural, but why now? Why not in a billion years? What if it's not natural? Oh, hey Jason. Hey Mike, can I come in? Yeah, come on in. Don't mind closing the door. It closes by itself. So, we got some info about the sun and why it's gonna explode. Also, wait, are you recording any of our voices in a radio somehow? Yeah, they want me to record our every word, so if somehow we come back, they may find stuff about our past. Well, anyway, a man took a picture of the sun. There's something very strange. Numbers. "2020. The man also said it's from this curse called the Beautiful Death. I don't seem to understand. The Beautiful Death? I would have known if this was a thing. This doesn't even sound real. Well, let me just tell you the story. One day, a man known as Mike Tyson made a deal with the devil to live forever and never die of old age. But of course, there was a price. The man needed to find the most beautiful thing he had ever seen and got someone to paint it. He then showed the picture of it to the devil, and he gave him the contract. But the man got greedy and did literally everything he could because he would not die. But the devil only said he would not die of old age. So a man attacked him and happened to have killed him. After the devil heard and was so happy with his plan, he looked at the picture once again. With his long sharp claws, he wrote the numbers 2020 on the sun in the picture, meaning that would be the year of the end of the world. The devil was very pleased with his plan, and, well, no one else knew about this. It was told on, but everyone thought it was just an old folks' tale. So you see, this is why the world is gonna end. All because of deal with the devil. I want to thank you for bringing this to my attention. We'll send an alert out. The people need to know about this. Alright, sir.
Please stand by. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, as I am speaking right now, we have 4 days left on this earth. This beautiful planet has treated us well, but we have figured out why. The reason why the sun will explode at the end of the year. It is actually quite amazing how we never actually realized it. It comes from this curse called the Beautiful Death. Basically, a man made a deal with the devil to live forever and never die of old age. He had to make a picture of the most beautiful thing he ever saw. After he showed it to the devil, he was actually killed because the devil said he would not die of old age, so he pretty much died of everything else. The devil then wrote the numbers 2020 on the sun inside the picture, making that sure that would be the date of the end of the world. And look where we are now, the year 2020. We are deeply, deeply sorry that this is how the world ends. So everyone, we will see you again at 5 p.m. during the final alert of forever. Well, goodbye.
And there's our answer, folks. The answer to why the world is ending. The reason why it's not natural. Deal with the devil. A lot of stuff, and I mean a lot of stuff, has happened before the end. They were making huge groups of people to stay together in their final moments. Sadly, there were a lot of casualties. An estimated 34 million people died from the rioting. And, well, that shows how bad this has gotten to people. We've never had a world of peace. Can everyone just calm down for 5 minutes? We've never had a world peace, and we never will. I am writing this on a scratched piece of paper. You may know that because you are actually reading this right now. If you are reading this, you somehow are alive. Or maybe you are the devil, looking at the beautiful world it once was and that you destroyed. Well, no matter who you are or what you are, at least you're reading this. The reason why 7 billion people went extinct. If you are a version of us that can survive without the sun, you're lucky. Because this has been torture. I don't even know if English is still around. So if you guys are reading this and understand English, I swear you better know English. Aside from that, I'm gonna stop writing. I'm running out of space. I hope everyone the best of luck in these last moments. Luckily, our memories will pass on. While we are in the heavens, we will continue to be happy. Who knows, maybe this is a free pass for everyone to get into heaven. I hope so. Everyone could just finally live in peace. Goodbye, world. Goodbye, Earth. Goodbye, beautiful sun. I shall miss you all. Signed, Lori. I know you guys can't see me well, but I am here to thank everyone on the screen right now. Radioactive Girl, stuff like that. This person right here is the reason I am doing this. This person made the emergency alert that I first saw. It Born to Kill. That was a good one, not gonna lie. Thank you. Thank you all. And well, you know, I'm glad. I'm glad this took a while. I was originally planning this to be around, 30 minutes long, but time flies by quickly during these times. So you guys, smash that like, and maybe I'll make a part 2 of what happens after. Love you guys, and hope to see you all later. Bye bye.